What you want to do is work in your tip, and I'll show you. There's a lot of ways to do it, but I'll show you the way I do it. Okay? Bring your still over, set it down on the edge of your anvil, raise it to an angle, work this back down and in. And it doesn't have to be massive hammer swings. All you're doing is making it to where you won't have fish lips. When it gets too cold, back in the fire. It can. Lock it in. Back in the fire. You can kind of cheat. See how I'm taking it over the edge of my anvil? So I'm getting it down now. And it's adjusting that tip just as easy. We just want to move that tip out and then we'll shape it. Right about there. Yep, that's good. Hold it steady. Put it right back in the same spot. Right, lift it. Right back. Lift it.
Yep. Nice. Yeah.
Keep recording, let's see.
I am.
Huh?
Is it shaving you? I can't really tell through the camera.
I can.
Oh, yeah. It looks pretty good.
Doesn't look too taking damage. Little bit of rolling right there.
Yeah, some glinting.
Just the slightest bit, but nope, looks solid.